Hey everyone, welcome to Pokemon 56 here, and today, um, well, if you don't know what today is, it's July 7th, and you probably think, why so important about July 7th? What's going on? Well, July 7th is the 2-year anniversary of YouTuber Ministry. That's right. It's the 2-year anniversary of YouTuber Ministry. I can't believe YouTuber Ministry had gone on for 2 years already. I am so proud of myself of making it this far. So how are we gonna celebrate this? Two things. One, a live stream, and two, we could do other contests for everyone. So, so the contest is gonna be about YouTube Murder Mystery, and you could do a video. You could do you could do fan art top 10, um, a video about YouTube Murder Mystery, and you could do anything, but it has to do something about YouTube Murder Mystery. So, also there will be some prizes for the winners. I'm gonna tell you guys the prizes. For third place, you will get a sneak peek of season 2. For second place, will be also a sneak peek for season 2 and in a script for an upcoming episode of season 2. And for the winner, you will also get a sneak peek as well, but you will get a confirmed spot in season 3. So, try to get your contest in. Oh yeah, the ending for the contest. Since I want to be fair and I'm gonna be a patient boy for this time, this will end in a week. Oh my god, I'm getting ending calls. Alright, sorry about that. Also, the ending of the contest will be Monday the 15th. So yeah, you do anything to celebrate about YouTube Ministry, but it has to the video has to be about YouTube Ministry. So make sure you get those contests away. Bye.